Transfer pricing. This is a concept under strategic cost management. Let us try to understand the concept in this video, just 5 minutes. Now, let me start with an introduction. Now, every business organization is established with a motive of earning profits. And what do we mean by profits? Profits are excess of sales revenue over total cost. Now, profit as given in the equation is selling price minus total cost. So, in case a company has to earn sufficient profits, then it has to focus on fixing or determining the right selling price. Now, what is selling price equal to? What is selling price? Selling price is the price which is being charged to the customers for the goods and services that are being sold to them. For the goods sold and services rendered, the price that is being charged is called as the selling price. Now, when we talk about customers, customers could be either internal customers or external customers. Now, who are internal customers and who do we call as external customers? It is very simple to understand who the external customers are. External customers are customers who buy our products in the open market at a given selling price. And then let us try to now understand who the internal customers are. Now, in order to help us understand who the internal customers are and what is transfer pricing, I'll just explain the concept with the help of an example. Now, I have taken the organization KMF, which means Karnataka Milk Producers Federation. Now, this Karnataka Milk Producers Federation has varied product lines. It is into milk production, curd, buttermilk, butter, ghee, sweets, and the like. Now, it shall process the milk, it shall create curd, buttermilk, it shall make butter, ghee, and sweets. Now, let me just focus on the three products of the organization. One is milk, the second one is curd, and the third one being buttermilk. Now, milk is the primary product that is being produced and sold by KMF, processed and sold by KMF. Now, in case the curd department has to make curd and sell, and the buttermilk department has to make buttermilk and sell, the primary raw material that is being required by these two departments is one curd, the other is milk. So, milk is the primary requirement of both curd department and buttermilk department. Now, this curd department and the buttermilk department have two options on hand. One is that they can buy the required milk either from the outside market or from its own internal milk department. Likewise, the requirement of milk by the buttermilk department may also be bought either from the internal milk department of the organization, which is the sister department of the organization, or it may be bought from outside market. If these two departments, curd and buttermilk department, were to buy milk internally from their own sister department, milk department, and pay a price for it, such price paid is called as transfer price. So, for all purchases made by one of the departments in the organization from another department in the organization, and the price paid is called as transfer price. So, the price paid for milk by the curd department is known as transfer price. Similarly, the price which pays to the milk department for the milk that it procures from its own milk department is called as the transfer price. On the other hand, if the same milk is bought by curd department and buttermilk department from an outside source and the price paid to the outside supplier is called as selling price. If bought from the external market and the price paid